2020 vision calls for us to be able to double the volume in South Africa by 2020 and triple the profits. And for this to be achieved, we need to be able to do that without further deterioration in our margins. We cannot double our volumes without servicing a market that accounts for 3/4 of the consumers in South Africa. But for us to do that, we have to do it in a profitable way, in a way that continues to protect our margins. The main market is very interesting for us in South Africa because, first of all, it's a very large market segment. You have 40 to 43 million consumers that transact through this portion of the market. So it is a key, pivotal part of our market, which we need to focus on to be able to ensure long-term growth in our business, but also to ensure that we can start recruiting new consumers who would be within our franchise for the future.
Since we've implemented the model market strategy, we've been able to improve dramatically the level of service to our customers, both in terms of our call frequency and the frequency of delivery of products to our customers. We are also dramatically accelerating our penetration of coolers, or the number of stores in the main market that have coolers. Up until now, we've had about 30% penetration, so only about a third of the stores that sell Coca-Cola have a cooler. We've set ourselves a target of getting to plus 50% over the next couple of years. We're also improving very dramatically our level of activation in the stores, and what we mean by that is we have what we call a picture of success. At Coca-Cola, we know exactly what we want every outlet to look like. We're also being a little bit more flexible in terms of our credit terms to customers, which enables particularly our smaller customers to be able to carry more stock.
It's important for us to ensure that as we develop the main market, we're able to ensure that everybody along the value chain that services the main market is able to do so at a reasonable level of profitability.
It has been important to listen to customers that are a route for us to access the consumers, and to also listen to what the consumers or people that buy our product require.
So what you'll find in the model markets is that we focused on certain pack sizes that we believe, through talking to consumers, talking to customers, market research, what we believe are the key packs that the consumers are looking to buy. And we focused on putting those brands and packs into the outlets that we activate in the model markets.
So we've had to improve distribution frequencies. Whilst people used to get deliveries once a week, in many of these markets, people get deliveries twice a week, 3 times a week on average. Our product, it's generally an impulse purchase product. It's a product which people buy when they see it, when they can touch it. Impulse becomes critical. Therefore, it is important that you do not hide the product at the back. You put the product in front so that consumers that enter the store, the first interaction with the store should be a Coke product.
We've seen the uplift in sales, usually in the range of 25 to 35% increase in sales when you activate these main market routes. And also when you increase the level of coal penetration in these markets, you really see a significant double-digit improvement in growth within these segments.
The Coca-Cola company, they do very nice thing for me, because they are painting nicely outside. They decorate. They give us for nice fridge like this. They make again another fridge outside. And my business, they make up growing up.
They help me so much because now the people, they see outside, if they got fridge, and then the people, they come more and buy cold drink all the time. I'm very happy now, yes, because now I sell more money than before. Now I sell 25 cases to 30 cases per week.
The bulk of our business right now is going through semi-formal outlets in the main market, but there are huge opportunities for a variety of participants in the informal sector within the main market. That is also fundamental to the government strategy of creating as many entrepreneurial opportunities in the main market as possible. We're actively working with local municipalities and with the government to ensure that we can expand the level of informal outlets that are active in the main market.
It's not only about making money and working out of the communities. Coca-Cola, through us ABI, we are able to create business opportunities for people that otherwise would not be employed. And I'm sure when you visit a number of these outlets, people are able to feed their families, they are able to employ 2-3 more people that otherwise would not be employed.